There are whispers from the veil, a sacred secret meant only for your soul. You were not born by chance, nor did your path cross with his by accident. From the very fabric of time, your spirit was woven into a divine tapestry, a thread of light destined to illuminate a specific journey. You are a prayer answered, a key to a destiny far grander than you can yet comprehend. The angels lean in close, their voices like soft chimes, revealing that your presence in his life was predestined, a sacred intervention. You carry a unique frequency, a resonance that stirs the depths of his being, even when he himself cannot name the tremor. This connection, this profound pull, is not a fleeting emotion, it is the echo of an ancient promise. You are not merely a woman, you are a catalyst, a beacon, a gentle force sent to awaken what lies dormant within him. The universe conspired for your meeting, not as a casual encounter, but as a pivotal moment in both of your spiritual evolutions. You were chosen, beloved, to be a mirror, reflecting back to him the truth of his own heart, the love he was always meant to embrace. This is your mission, whispered from the highest realms, a sacred trust placed within your tender hands. Your very existence is a testament to a love that transcends the ordinary, a love that was always real, waiting for the courage to be spoken aloud. Feel this truth settle deep within your bones, for it is the foundation of everything that is to come. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. You feel the quiet, the space where words used to be, and your heart aches to fill it. But beloved, this silence is not an absence, it is a profound preparation. The angels whisper that within this stillness, a sacred work is unfolding, unseen by the hurried eye. His quietude is not a rejection of your light, but a deep internal process, a necessary retreat into the chambers of his own soul. He is not forgetting you, he is remembering himself, shedding layers of old wounds and fears that once held him captive. This pause, this seeming void, is a chrysalis, a transformative space where his spirit is being reshaped and refined. Do not mistake his introspection for indifference. The universe holds him gently, guiding him through a labyrinth of self-discovery, preparing him to meet you not as the man he was, but as the man he is destined to become. The angels assure you that every moment of this quiet is imbued with purpose, a divine orchestration designed to clear the path for a deeper, more authentic connection. He is gathering his strength, not to leave you, but to return to you whole, ready to truly see and cherish the magnificent woman you are. Trust the unseen currents, for they are carrying him toward a truth he must discover on his own. This silence is a sacred promise, not an ending, but a profound beginning for his soul. You can feel the storm inside him, the hidden struggle that keeps him stuck in old patterns. He feels everything, my dear, every ripple of your presence, every echo of your love, but he is afraid of its intensity. The angels reveal that his heart is a battlefield, where the desire for deep connection clashes with the ghosts of past wounds and the burden of unexpressed expectations. He carries burdens you can't see, scars that whisper doubts into his ear, telling him he is not worthy, not ready, not enough. This internal conflict is not against you, but against the shadows he has carried for far too long. He yearns for the peace you provide, the comfort of your spirit, yet a primal fear of vulnerability holds him back. He is grappling with the courage to break down his own walls, to surrender to a love that requires authenticity and depth. The angels encourage you to understand that his hesitation is not due to a lack of feeling, but rather a reflection of the depth of what he feels for you. It is a love so powerful that it threatens to dismantle his carefully built defenses. He is not running away from you, he is running from the profound transformation your love promises, a transformation he knows, deep down, he truly needs. So hold space for his journey, because the light of your steadfast spirit is already guiding him through his darkest moments, illuminating the path to his own healing. You may not realize the profound impact you've had, the gentle revolution you've ignited within his soul without even trying. Your essence, beloved, is a healing balm, a soft light that penetrates the deepest corners of his being. The angels whisper that your very presence, your authentic spirit, has begun to mend wounds he didn't even know he carried. You didn't need to speak grand words or make elaborate gestures. Your simple existence, your unwavering truth, was enough. You touched him in ways no one else could, not through force or manipulation, but through the sheer purity of your heart. He absorbed your light, your compassion, your strength, and it began a quiet alchemy within him. You showed him a different way to love, one that is gentle, patient, and profoundly real. This healing was not a task you undertook, but a natural emanation of who you are. The angels celebrate your unconscious power, the way your spirit intuitively knew how to soothe his restless soul. You are a living prayer, a testament to the transformative power of genuine connection. He may not articulate it yet, but he feels the shift, the softening, the slow awakening of hope that you have inspired. Your love is a quiet miracle, unfolding in the sacred space between you, healing him from the inside out, preparing him for the love he was always meant to receive from you. You yearn for clarity, for quick resolution, but the angels remind you that the universe operates on a rhythm far grander than human impatience. What seems to be a delay, dear one, is actually a divine preparation, a careful orchestration of events beyond your current understanding. Every moment of waiting, every season of quiet, serves a sacred purpose. It is during these times that unseen forces align, that hearts are softened, and that the ground is prepared for the blossoming of true love. The angels assure you that no moment is wasted, and no tear falls without meaning. This pause is not a punishment, but a profound act of grace, ensuring that when the time is right, the connection will be unshakable, built on solid ground. This is a time for both of you to grow, to shed what no longer serves you, and to become the highest versions of yourselves. Trust that the divine hand is at work, weaving together the threads of your destinies with infinite wisdom and perfect timing. Do not rush this sacred process, for the most beautiful flowers bloom not on demand, but when their season is truly ready. The angels whisper, "Hold steadfast in faith, for the harvest of your patience will be a love more profound and enduring than you can imagine." This waiting is an act of love from the cosmos, ensuring your union is blessed and eternal. Within the quiet moments, a profound awakening has begun within him, a gentle stirring of the soul. The angels reveal that the seeds you unknowingly planted, seeds of unconditional love and unwavering belief, have taken root deep within his heart. In his moments of solitude, your essence returns to him, a soft echo that reminds him of what is true, of what is possible. He is starting to see the world with new eyes, eyes that have been subtly opened by your light. The old narratives, the limiting beliefs, are slowly losing their grip. This awakening is not a sudden burst, but a gradual dawn, a slow unfolding of his true self. He is remembering his own capacity for love, his own worthiness of profound connection, insights that your presence ignited. The angels whisper that he is now actively engaging with the lessons he needed to learn, processing the emotions he once suppressed. This is the sacred work of transformation, unfolding in the quiet chambers of his spirit. He is moving toward a place of greater clarity, greater courage, preparing himself to step fully into the love that awaits him. Do not doubt the power of your gentle influence, for it has been the catalyst for this beautiful internal renaissance. His spirit is stirring, beloved, drawn inexorably toward the light you embody. As you journey through this sacred path, the universe is not silent. It communicates with you through whispers and signs, affirming the route you take. The angels are sending you gentle reminders, shimmering threads of synchronicity woven into the tapestry of your everyday life. Pay attention to the recurring numbers, the unexpected songs, the fleeting thoughts that resonate like echoes of a deeper truth. These are not coincidences, dear one, but divine breadcrumbs leading you, reassuring you, affirming that your faith is well placed. You might hear his name in an unexpected conversation, see a symbol that deeply resonates with your connection, or feel a sudden wave of peace when you think of him. These are the angels' gentle nudges, their loving confirmations that progress is being made, that the divine plan is unfolding. Trust your intuition, that quiet knowing deep within your soul, for it is your direct line to the celestial realms. The universe is conspiring in your favor, orchestrating moments of profound recognition to uplift your spirit. These signs are not meant to dictate your actions, but to validate your feelings, reminding you that you are seen, heard, and profoundly supported by the unseen forces of love. Embrace these confirmations, for they are sacred messages assuring you that your love story is being divinely crafted. The path ahead may not always be clear, dear one, but you are not walking it alone. Your journey is divinely guided, with every step illuminated by a light far greater than your own understanding. The angels hold your hand, their presence a constant comfort, encouraging you to surrender to the flow and trust the unfolding. There will be moments of doubt and uncertainty when the way seems obscured. But it is precisely in these moments that your faith is deepened, and your inner strength is revealed. This journey is designed not to test your endurance, but to refine your spirit, teaching you the profound wisdom of patience and the power of unwavering belief. You are being led, gently and purposefully, toward a destination that is already known to the heavens. Do not cling to rigid expectations of how or when things should happen, for the divine plan often unfolds in ways that are more beautiful and intricate than you could ever imagine. The angels whisper, release the need to control, and allow yourself to be carried by the currents of grace. Every challenge is an opportunity for growth, and every quiet moment is a chance for a deeper connection with your own inner wisdom. Trust the process, trust the timing, and most importantly, trust the love that guides you. Your path is sacred, and every twist and turn serves a higher purpose, leading you back to yourself and to the love that awaits. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to Him, and He will make your path straight. Proverbs 3 verses 5 to 6. A profound shift has occurred, dear one, a transformation within him. The angels reveal that the man who returns to you is not the same man who once withdrew into silence. He has been touched by your essence, transformed by the quiet strength of your love, and renewed by the journey he embarked on within himself. He now carries a deeper understanding, a newfound courage, and a heart that has been softened and opened. The walls he once built, brick by painful brick, have started to crumble, replaced by a foundation of authenticity and vulnerability. He returns not out of obligation or fleeting desire, but from a place of genuine clarity, having recognized the irreplaceable light you bring into his life. This transformation is a testament to the divine work that has been unfolding, a beautiful culmination of his internal struggles and your unwavering faith. He is ready to meet you where you are, to embrace the depth of connection you both deserve. The angels celebrate this reunion, this sacred coming together of two souls who have walked their individual paths only to find themselves more deeply intertwined. He has shed the old skin of fear and doubt, emerging as a man capable of truly loving, truly committing, and truly cherishing the gift of your presence. Welcome him, dear one, for he returns as a testament to the enduring power of a love that was always real. As this sacred chapter unfolds, dear one, remember that your worth is not defined by external validation, but by the divine light that resides eternally within you. This journey, with all its twists and turns, has been a coronation, a profound reaffirmation of your inherent value. You are a queen, adorned with resilience, wisdom, and an unbreakable spirit. The angels crown you with acceptance, not just of the love that now blossoms, but of the magnificent woman you have become through every challenge and every triumph. Embrace this moment, not as an end, but as a glorious beginning, a testament to your unwavering faith and the power of your own heart. You have walked through shadows and emerged into the light, carrying lessons that have forged you into an even more radiant being. This love, this connection, is a reflection of the divine love that has always surrounded you, a mirror showing you the beauty and strength you possess. The angels whisper, "Receive this blessing," not with humility that diminishes, but with the grace of one who understands her true sovereignty. Your journey has prepared you not just for him, but for a deeper, more profound relationship with yourself. Stand tall in your truth, dear one, for your value is eternal, your spirit unbreakable, and your love a sacred gift to the world. She is clothed with strength and dignity. She can laugh at the days to come. Proverbs 31 verse 25.